Hello and welcome to Gorna Oryahovitsa, or the farmer's market.
Good health and happiness begins at the dinner table, and at farmers' markets you can buy the ingredients of a healthy and very tasty meal. A summer favorite is fried courgettes. Slice the courgettes into little wheels, flour them and fry. Serve with a sauce made with yogurt, dill and garlic. By the way, in Bulgaria, if you're tall enough to work a stove, you are expected to know how to make this dish. So, no pressure. When the weather is hot, a Shopka salad made with chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, a bit of onion and peppers, covered with a mountain of grated sirene cheese, is a filling and cooling dish. During the summer, barbecues are a favorite. Roasted corn on the cob, grilled potatoes, peppers and aubergines are a great complement to barbecue sausages and kebabcha. For example, a few slices of kielbasa sausages and air-dried meats such as Elena filet with a side of fresh vegetables is a pleasant and easy way to end a hot and tiring day. Farmers' markets are also the gateway to nature's own medicine cabinet. Berries are a great passion here. They are very tasty, especially when you can buy them fresh directly from the producers, and they also have many health benefits. For example, blueberries or borovinka contain many vitamins and minerals. They can help with eye health, keep your digestive system working well, and they support the immune system. And fresh blueberries are also very delicious, especially with some yogurt or kiselo mleko and a spoonful of honey. Raspberries are a source of folic acid, vitamins and minerals. They are recommended for women's health, and they make a very tasty jam. A summer favorite is the watermelon. Tapping the watermelon is a very old technique to get an idea of its ripeness and juiciness. The right way to cool a watermelon is to put it in a bucket of icy cold water. Cooling it in the fridge is efficient, but it makes it a bit too cold and you lose some of the natural aromas. And watermelon with a side of sirene is a great way to rehydrate and rebalance your electrolytes. Sirene is a complex cheese. At first it tastes a bit salty with a hint of acidity, and later the creaminess develops. Sirene can feel a bit dry in the mouth, so it works well with juicy vegetables and fruits, and because of its natural umami characteristics, it elevates the taste of the ingredients you pair it with. But no nature medicine cabinet is complete without the jar of honey. Honey is often called the liquid gold of Bulgaria. Depending on the time of the year, there are different types of honey available. Each type has specific benefits. Bouquet honey or polyflora, made of flowers honey, is a good all-rounder. It has a subtle, clean, slightly flowery flavor. Honey is a natural source of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, and is a natural antibacterial, and a good source of vitamins, minerals and amino acids. Lipa or linden tree blossom honey is recommended for winter maladies, de-stressing and improves blood circulation. Lavender honey reduces stress, helps with insomnia and headaches. Glog or hawthorn honey is suggested for cardiovascular health. Manov honey is a strong antiseptic and strengthens the immune system, but it is quite rare and I have not managed to taste it yet. Beekeeping was present here in Thracian times. By the time the Bulgarian tribes settled in Bulgaria, they were already well known as producers and traders of honey. The Proto-Bulgarians took full advantage of the natural biodiversity of Bulgaria to produce honey of high quality. And during the First Bulgarian Empire, honey was a major export to Byzantium, the Genoese and the Venetian Republic. Another popular product is propolis. Propolis is often described as a type of glue. The bees use it to repair and disinfect the honeycomb. Propolis is used in both oral and topical products. It has antiseptic properties and promotes wound healing. Beeswax is commonly used to make candles. Beeswax candles' natural aromas and clean burn make them ideal for churches, and, as Saint Simeon of Thessaloniki put it, at the spiritual level, beeswax is the most pure substance, represents our pure and sincere offering. The sweet, calming aroma of honey from burning candles permeates most Orthodox churches. This is the Church of the Assumption of the Holy Mary in the heart of Gorna Oryahovitsa. A church stood here since the 17th century. The old church was destroyed in the earthquake of 1913. The church was rebuilt in stages from 1925 to 1938. The Iconostasi survives from the old church, and it is the work of Marko Kuzmanov from the Debar art tradition in today's North Macedonia. Marko studied under his father, also a well-known iconographer. The family worked in churches across Bulgaria, and in 1895, Kuzman Makriev, or Marko, and his sons painted the Iconostasis. The gilding is immaculate. The paintings are a masterclass in iconography designs and color management. The Kuzmanovs were renowned craftsmen, but they were not cheap, which suggests that at the time this work was commissioned, Gorna Oryahovitsa was a rich town and the church could afford the Kuzmanov premium. The Church Kondika, the book where all the church economic activities were recorded, could offer more information, as well as some historical insights in the town's traditions, businesses and social activities. But unfortunately it was lost during the communist era. But if you have any information about the Kondika for the Church of the Assumption of the Holy Mary in Gorna Oryahovitsa, I think the local priest would love to hear from you. Back at the market, produce is selling fast. The farmers' market in Gorna Oryahovitsa is on Thursdays afternoons from 4:30 until sold out, near the Summer Theatre and the stadium.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That would be wonderful. I publish these videos in English on Tuesdays, Italian on Wednesdays and Bulgarian on Thursdays. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.
Dobre, ajde, sad